I'm not getting no peace. I'm not getting any peace, am I? But anyway, there's my cards. I've got 4 cards there, but I always like to see the bottom of the cards to see what's at the bottom of the matter. So we'll put them this way. Okay. So this is me as a mother sitting. I'm not pregnant. I hope I'm not pregnant. Anyway, I can't be pregnant. It's been a while. Let me look at it. There's still some emotion around me at the moment, but I'm sitting quite happily in abundance. My motherly instinct is working for me right now. The present. The Knight of Cups. So I see a knight coming in. Coming in with a cup of love and emotions. I see emotions. He's crossing some emotions of himself to come to me. This is happily ever after, or celebration, or I think this can be, meaning it's a good outcome for my surgery, it's a good outcome, or maybe somebody's going to come to my rescue for my outcome. Shall I ask the cards then, if there's anything else? And the Page of Swords, I'm not 100% sure on the Page of Swords, but we'll go back to that. So, what's the Empress here for? What is the Empress here for? Ooh. Ooh. Knight of Swords. It's come racing in, look. Like, against me. Like, whoa, stop. And the sword's up. What is the Knight of Cups here for? What is the Knight of Cups here for? Oh, what is the Knight of Cups here for? Oh, keep jumping. What the Knight of Cups here for? Okay, it's that one. Oh, bringing me the world. That's good. Oh, right. And the Four of Wands as a final outcome. The Four of Wands, clarify the Four of Wands as the outcome. Clarify the Four of Wands as the outcome. Okay, we've got 2. Oh. Still Well, I see this as a new beginning in love. Something's coming in with love, emotions, a new beginning with my own emotions, a new beginning in love. I need to look these up, but I should really only be concentrating on my first 3 cards. So hold on, let's clarify these with my other cards. These cards are made myself. Right, so I found my card. I found the card. So the Empress is the first card. Stands for fertility, creation, pregnancy, abundance, and good parenting. So I was right. That was good. So the Knight of Cups is water and emotion, as I said, and stands for studious kid, new love, a volunteer work, and it's water and emotions. So as I said, new love coming in. And the Four of Wands stands for homecoming, celebrations, family, friends, and reunion. So basically, that I was right. That's perfect. Love it.